CarRev3 family, let's get right into it. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter. If you think this is just a facelift or another standard SUV, think again. We're giving you a super quick, no-fluff review in just about 3 minutes, covering everything from design and performance to tech and off-road capability. First up, the design. The Trailhunter isn't messing around. This SUV has a bold, rugged stance that screams adventure. Boxy lines, high ground clearance, and 33-inch all-terrain tires make it clear this is built to go places most vehicles won't even attempt. Toyota didn't just slap some styling on it, they engineered it with old Man Emu shocks, rock rails, and a factory ARB roof rack for all your overlanding gear. It's ready for rooftop tents, heavy cargo, or just looking mean on the road. Under the hood, Toyota has upgraded things big time. The 4Runner Trailhunter comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid engine called the iForce Max. Don't let the cylinder count fool you. This setup pumps out 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic and standard 4-wheel drive, it offers incredible low-end power for towing, climbing, or just conquering rough trails. It's also impressively efficient for a body-on-frame SUV, hitting about 23 miles per gallon combined. On the trail, the Trailhunter really shines. The Old Man Emu suspension keeps the ride controlled over rocks and washboard roads, while multi-terrain select system and locking rear differential give you confidence in mud, sand, or snow. Toyota even improved approach and departure angles, plus high-mounted air intakes and reinforced skid plates protect the vehicle during deep water crossings or rough terrain. Inside, the cabin finally gets a 21st century upgrade. You've got a 14-inch center touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, JBL premium audio, and smart storage solutions for all your gear. Materials feel durable but modern, perfect for off-road adventures while still comfortable for daily drives. Safety tech like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist is standard, so you're covered on and off the road. Bottom line, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter blends factory overlanding hardware with serious off-road performance. No aftermarket build required. You can buy it, pack your gear, and hit the trail immediately. It's versatile enough to tackle a weekend adventure, a week-long overlanding trip, or even the daily commute. Pricing starts at $68,350 MSRP, which may seem steep, but considering all the tech, off-road features, and performance you're getting, it's worth every penny. If this SUV excites you as much as it does us, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quick, in-depth reviews here on CarRev3. You won't want to miss what's coming next.